Hi everyone and welcome back to a new video with me, the Tinkering Dad. In this episode I will see if I can repair this standard computer mouse. Simple standard USB mouse. The problem with it is that the right mouse button doesn't work at all. It sounds like it's working, but when you connect it to the computer and you need to right click something, nothing happens at all. The wheel functions, the left mouse button functions, and the control. So there's something wrong with the right mouse button. So I'll see if I can fix that. Interesting. This is I guess they use the same plastic mold for their wireless mouse, because this is a battery slot for 2 batteries. So there's no connections at all. So, well, they saved a bit of money on their plastic molds, I guess. Oh. Okay, nothing there. Okay. Well, well, I can't see anything obviously wrong here. This is the button, the right mouse button. Everything looks fine. Purely visible, visually. There's a solder. Or I think I'll just measure something first, see if I get this. I should get this exact same readings when I measure those and click that button as if I click that button and measure those. I think I'll do that first. Okay, well, that's good. These two should have a connection only when I press the button. Let's see if I can get the same here. I do. Okay. Okay, that's interesting. Then I would definitely interpret that as the buttons themselves work. So the button work. This component should work. It sends the exact same signals out of here. Interesting. Okay, so I managed to fix I managed to find the problem and fix it. The problem was that this connection here from the underside of the right mouse button connection, this soldering wasn't really touching the copper on the plate. I discovered that when I removed it, as you saw previously here, the copper itself around the pin was gone. So I had to scrape up some bits of it next to it with a glass fiber pen, just to reveal some more copper so I can connect the pin to the copper. I'm assuming this is the ground, since it's such a large. I'll see if I can get a good picture here, but I hope you understand. I hope you'll understand what I'm talking about here. And I've soldered this back, so now it's really touching the ground pin. And I've also tested this mouse in my computer, and it works. So that was a problem, and I fixed it. Excellent. And thank you for watching.